How to fix a blurry or stretched display in Windows 11. Fuzzy text, blurry images, or images that are stretched or out of proportion can be caused by improper screen resolution, incorrect graphics driver settings, or outdated BIOS or graphics drivers. Restarting the computer might fix display issues. Restart the computer and then check the display. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Restore the optimal resolution settings. Right-click the desktop and then select Display Settings. Select the Display Resolution drop-down list and then choose your desired resolution. Select Revert to go back to the previous resolution or select Keep Changes. Check the display again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Outdated drivers can cause display issues. Search for updates using Windows Update. Select Start, type Check for Updates, and then select it from the results. After all updates have been installed, restart your computer and then check the display again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Image and text quality issues might be resolved by installing the latest BIOS. Go to support.hp.com/drivers and navigate to the drivers for your product. Expand the BIOS category, and if available, download the latest BIOS for your computer model. Open the BIOS Update utility, and then follow the prompts to complete the update. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.